Welcome to WaterBUG.com, a trusted plumbing resource. In this video, we are going to review best sump pumps on the market. Number 1. Superior 91250, best budget pick. It is the best budget submersible water pump. High performance in a small, efficient package. Longer lasting motor. Doubles as a utility pump. Number 2. Wayne CDU 980E, best all-rounder. It has vertical float switch design, durable stainless steel and cast iron construction, a powerful 3/4 of a horsepower motor with an amazing pumping capacity, super quiet operation. Number 3. Wayne WSS30VN Sump-Pump, best battery backup. It is the best high-volume battery backup pump. Epoxy-coated steel body, durable cast iron base, 2-in-1 system. Number 4. Zoeller M53, best submersible sump pump. It can run for hours a day. Very durable and amazing lifespan. Pretty quiet and powerful. Number 5. Superior Pump 92301, best pedestal sump pump. It is very durable and performs just as great. Premium components used. Very easy to install. Number 6. Wayne WaterBUG Submersible Sump Pump. It is small, portable, and powerful. 2 discharge adapters. Multi-purpose pump. Pumps out water very fast. Number 7. Hallmark Industries MA0343X4, Submersible Well Pump. Its noticeable sides are: no need for an external control box. Ideal water well pump for the money. It doesn't require a pressure switch. Long lifespan and runs continuously. Number 8. Basement Watchdog BW1050 Sump Pump. It has an ultra-compact design, ideal for tight spots. Small yet very powerful. The pump is rated for continuous load. Good customer service from the manufacturer. Number 9. Liberty Pumps, SJ10 Sump Pump, best water-powered. It has some great features like: it comes completely assembled. The fully automatic water driver unit. Reputed manufacturer. Highly reliable water-powered pump. Number 10. WaterRace WA50 PSV Submersible Sump Pump. It has good value for the money. Compact form factor. Easy to set up. Powerful and quiet. Thanks for watching. To get more in-depth review, check our blogs at WaterBUG.com.